Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the door barrier on your range. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, it's easier to remove the complete oven door from the range and set it on a suitable work surface. So all we need to do is to make sure that the door is cool to touch. We'll open it up and loosen the two clips and remove it completely from the range. So just open the door completely, and down on the hinges there are two little pivoting clips that we're going to rotate back towards the door. Just lock them in that position. Then we'll close the door until it comes up against those. Grasp both sides of the door, lift up on it, and pull the hinges out of the oven body. And then we'll set that on a suitable work surface where we can change it apart. Now, with the door laying flat, all we need to do is remove the retaining screws for that barrier strip. They're typically 1/4-inch hex head screws. And then discard the old strip. Now, when installing the new one, just make sure that the tabs point towards the outer door glass. So before we tighten any screws, we'll start all 4 of them. And tighten them securely. Once we've done that, we're ready to take that door and then we'll reinstall it on the range. So we just need to make sure that we insert both of those hinges into the corresponding slots in the oven body. Make sure they go in completely inside of that opening. And just flip those stops back into their rest position. We can close up the door, and your repair is complete.